The only 12 gas engines worth buying in 2026. Avoid everything else. Most reliability ratings are fiction, and if you're trusting brochure numbers in 2026, you're setting yourself up for a five-figure mistake. Because here's the reality. Manufacturers sell horsepower and fuel economy. They don't sell what happens at 150,000 miles, or 250,000, or when your engine decides it's done. So today on SUV Squad, we're cutting through the noise. We're counting down 10 gas engines that actually survive real-world abuse in 2026. Not lab-tested perfection, not marketing hype, but engines that owners are pushing past 200K, 300K, even 400,000 miles. And stick with me, because by the end, you'll see the one engine quietly becoming the next Toyota legend, faster than anything we've seen before. Also, this list alone could save you from a $20,000 engine replacement. Before we jump in, quick favor. If you care about buying cars that actually last, not just look good on paper, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because on this channel, we break down what really holds up after years of abuse, engines, SUVs, and the hidden problems dealers won't tell you. Now let's get into it. Number 10. Ford 2.7L EcoBoost V6. We start with a surprise entry, because this is the only turbocharged engine that earned its place here. The Ford 2.7L EcoBoost V6 debuted back in 2015, and against all expectations, it's outlasting engines twice its size. On paper, it makes around 325 horsepower in the Ford F-150. But power isn't why it's here. Durability is. Ford overbuilt the bottom end, strong forged internals, solid oiling system, and a design that can handle boost pressure without tearing itself apart like most turbo engines. Now here's the catch, and this is critical. This engine only stays reliable if you maintain it properly. That means synthetic oil every 5,000 miles, not the 10,000-mile intervals Ford suggests. Ignore that, and you'll understand exactly why turbo engines have a bad reputation. Carbon buildup is also real. Around 100,000 miles, you're looking at walnut blasting. And early 2015-2016 models had timing chain issues, fixed in later versions. If you're buying used, go 2018 or newer. The 2024 update improved cooling and added a higher capacity oil pump. Bottom line, if you need towing plus efficiency, this is your best turbo option. But it's still a turbo, and that's why it barely makes the list. Number 9. Honda 2.0L naturally aspirated. No hype, no headlines, no drama. Just one of the most quietly reliable engines on the road. The Honda 2.0L naturally aspirated engine powers base models of the Honda Civic and Honda Accord, making around 158 horsepower. Sounds weak? Doesn't matter, because what this engine does is survive. Built on Honda's K-Series DNA, it uses a timing chain instead of a belt, runs a conservative compression ratio, and operates well below stress limits. That's the formula. Owners are reporting 300,000 miles with almost nothing beyond oil changes and one timing chain service. It even mimics Atkinson's cycle efficiency using variable valve timing, delivering around 33 mpg without hybrid complexity. The downside? It's slow. Really slow. But if your priority is reliability over performance, this is as safe as it gets. Number 8. GM 3800 V6 Series 3 2005-2008. This engine is proof that old-school engineering still wins. The GM 3800 Series 3 V6 ended production nearly 2 decades ago, and it still outlasts modern engines. Why? Simplicity. Pushrod design, cast iron block, minimal electronics, nothing fancy, nothing fragile. Earlier versions had intake gasket failures, but the Series 3 fixed that with a metal intake manifold. After that change, this engine became nearly indestructible. We're talking 200,000 plus miles as standard, often much more, even under abuse that would destroy modern aluminum engines. Downside? Fuel economy is outdated, and finding clean examples is getting harder. But if you want cheap, durable transportation from the mid-2000s, this is the one to hunt. Number 7. Mazda Skyactiv G25L. While everyone chased turbos, Mazda went the opposite direction. The Mazda Skyactiv G2.5L uses high compression instead of boost, running an insane 13:1 ratio on regular fuel. That shouldn't work, but it does. Thanks to advanced combustion design and cooling, it delivers around 187 horsepower with strong real-world efficiency. More importantly, after years on the road, reliability data looks solid. Minimal major issues, just standard maintenance. Yes, carbon buildup exists due to direct injection, but newer versions combine port and direct injection to reduce that problem. And unlike most naturally aspirated engines, this one actually feels good to drive. Linear power, responsive throttle, and enough strength for daily use. Number 6. Subaru 2.5L FB25 Turbo. Subaru had a reputation problem: head gaskets, oil issues, reliability concerns. This engine changed that. The Subaru FB25 2.5L powers vehicles like the Subaru Crosstrek and Subaru Forester, and it represents a full redesign. Stronger head bolts, better gaskets, improved durability, and after a decade of real-world data, the failure rates dropped dramatically. Is it perfect? No. Oil consumption is still higher than Honda or Toyota, expect to top off regularly. And maintenance is slightly more complex due to the boxer layout. But reliability? It's finally there. Most owners are crossing 150,000 miles with minimal issues. For Subaru, that's a big deal. Number 5. Ford 5.0L Coyote V8 Gen 4 2024 Plus. This is the last of a dying breed. A naturally aspirated V8 that actually holds up long-term. The Ford 5.0L Coyote V8 produces up to 480 horsepower in the Ford Mustang GT. But again, power isn't the story. Durability is. The Gen 4 version fixed earlier oil consumption issues and refined the internals. Owners are reporting 200,000 miles with minimal repairs, just standard wear items and occasional cam phaser work. Yes, it's complex. Dual cams, variable timing, direct injection. But unlike turbo engines, that complexity doesn't translate into fragility. And thanks to massive aftermarket support, parts are everywhere. If you want performance without sacrificing longevity, this is your V8. Mid-video CTA. Quick pause. If you're getting value from this, hit subscribe and join SUVSQUAD. Because most channels will sell you hype. Here, we break down what actually survives real ownership. And coming up next, the engines that quietly dominate reliability rankings year after year. Number 4. Toyota 3.5L V6 2GR FKs. This is classic Toyota engineering. The Toyota 2GR FKs 3.5L V6 powers vehicles like the Toyota Camry, Toyota Highlander, and Lexus ES 350. No turbo, no drama, just a naturally aspirated V6 making around 300 horsepower and consistently crossing 200,000 miles without major issues. Toyota solved carbon buildup using dual injection, port and direct, so you don't deal with the same long-term problems as other engines. The trade-off? Fuel economy isn't great, but if you want V6 power with long-term reliability, this is one of the safest bets on the market. Number 3. Honda 2.0L Hybrid System. This is where things get interesting. The Honda 2.0L Hybrid System delivers around 204 horsepower in the hybrid Honda Accord Hybrid. But the real story? It doesn't even use a traditional transmission. Instead, it relies on electric motors and a simple gear system, fewer moving parts, fewer failures. Fuel economy hits 48 mpg, and reliability data shows these systems lasting over 200,000 miles, including the battery. Maintenance is minimal. Brake wear is reduced thanks to regenerative braking. You're getting V6-like performance with 4-cylinder efficiency and Honda reliability. That combination is rare. Number 2. Honda K-Series K20, K24. This isn't just an engine, it's a legend. The Honda K-Series engine has been dominating reliability for over 20 years. Used in everything from the Honda KR-V to the Honda Civic Si, these engines are built to last. Timing chain, strong internals. Conservative tuning, that's the formula again. And it works. We're seeing documented cases of 300 to 400,000 miles, and even extreme examples pushing close to 1 million miles. Maintenance, minimal. Occasional valve adjustments. Regular oil changes. That's it, no turbo failures. No major rebuilds. Just consistent, long-term reliability. Number 1. Toyota 2.5L A25A FKs. This is the future of reliability. The Toyota A25A FKS 2.5L Dynamic Force powers the Toyota RAV4, Toyota Camry, and more. It produces over 200 horsepower, delivers excellent fuel economy, and most importantly, it's already proving itself long-term. Even though it launched in 2018, we're already seeing 200,000-mile examples with zero major issues. Toyota combined high thermal efficiency, high compression, and dual injection without sacrificing durability. That's the key. And based on Toyota's history, this engine is on track to become the next legendary platform. 300K miles? Expected. 400K? Probably inevitable. Notice the pattern. The engines that last aren't the most powerful. They're not the most advanced. They're the most balanced. Naturally aspirated designs, proven hybrid systems, conservative tuning. That's the formula for reliability in 2026. And notice what didn't make the list. Most turbocharged 4 cylinders. First-generation redesigns. Overcomplicated drivetrains. Because those are the engines that fail early and cost you big. If you made it this far, you now know more than 90% of car buyers. Subscribe to SUVSQUAD for more breakdowns like this. And next, watch our deep dive into the most reliable trucks of 2026, because some of them will surprise you, and some should be avoided at all costs. That video might just save you from your next bad purchase.